We Talk Football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Mfowethu Thabo, ayi sharp number 1.
Right.
Pirates 2. Sikhona iqanda.
Yeah. Saturday was 1.
Namhlanje 2.
Yeah.
Futhi siya ku-3 noma ku-4.
Saturday asazi sokona khona mara sifisa kanjani.
Yeah.
But ukuqala futhi ngicela ukubonga uTito Masangaye, ambulance asithembisa for umsebenzi awenzile ku-Orlando Pirates nokuba a staunch player and a professional player when the Chiefs were down, that boy didn't give up. He lifted his head wangena ground and wadlala ibhola.
Bambona abaphesheya.
Yeah, ngicela ukumbonga ngalokho because it was not easy being criticized by your own people.
Yeah,
but he managed to rise above all of those politics and play football. And umbone change room with une passion. That's why bekalwa alwela ukuthi win. So ngiyambonga mina ambulance asithembisa. Yeah, so I wish him all the best of luck la yakhona. uNkulunkulu ambusise la yakhona adlala ibhola abe sharp. Coming to the football match, this was a very interesting game. Sekhukhune is not a bad team at all. It's a good team, but Coach Ayethu, I think, had prepared very well for this game. And if ubonile after Skota Sekhukhune second half, they managed to regroup and try their best to win over. They were a foot behind, but press in our own half. But I mean, Pirates has got always tricks up his sleeve. Sathola imbobo policy wakore abaphinde avuleka futhi. But it was overall was a very good game because you could see the strengths and the weaknesses of both sides at different patches of the game. But the Pirates, because he's got his inner experience, he was a defender, he was to save Amapola wide. But Sekhukhune could not because the Pirates was on the upper hand against Bona.
Manje ngibone i-pairing kaMkhubuti nomthiyane lapha esiswini engathi kade badlala ndawonye ngazi wena babone kanjani.
Yabona i-coach yethu mina le coach le ngi-understanda kwami usa-testa usa-check-a usabheka ukuthi ama-player wakhe ama-mix and match. Remember na Saturday bekadlala nge-pairing different, and I think even Saturday uzodlala nge-different pairing because their role lena kaMufukeng isinikeze i-problem because kube yi-gap enkulu for the team yethu. So now you need to he's trying to fill it with CDMs and try mhlawumbe adlale ngama-CDM ayi-2 mhlawumbe hayi ukuthi uzodlala nge-10 adlale njenge-play 1 behind the striker elizokwazi ukucreate ngoba ngibonile apolice bekamdlalisa kulo position. So it is a good thing. Manje I understand what he was trying to do even last season because last season remember he tried the same thing and then got the rhythm and move forward. So even now I think it's doing the same thing.
Mhlambe umdlalo osuku ngathi ubani?
Obviously Mthiyane. I mean he was the one who was
controlling, dictating
he was playing the guitar in the midfield. Ngadlala isigini. And they were dancing to him. So I think he was the man of the match.
Khona abanye abakhala nge-distribution ka-Jane namhlanje. Angazi uyibone kanjani?
Well, yes and no, because Pirates doesn't play distribution football. Pirates always they play from the back, either they play in the middle or they play in the wings. So today coach has said, let's experiment and exploit and try to use our strikers to try to penetrate the final third. That's what I'm thinking, because if you saw, Sekhukhune is smart. Because now it's a team above e-pace and coach Ayethu mhlawumbe trying to resolve the problem of the center block. How do I do that? And that coach is a progressive coach. Mkambi thought, no, let me try and play long balls. Not all the time, but Mkambi 2 every 5 minutes to play one, every 5 minutes to play one, just to see if you can exploit the space behind. Because I saw Itrakazetu were running behind the defense.
No, we shall have it.
Yeah.
Sure.